Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by pairing and confirming power. Place the Apple Pencil Pro on the iPad's magnetic edge. It should wake and display a pairing prompt. Once done, tap Connect and watch the battery widget populate so you know charging works. If the prompt fails, open Settings and Bluetooth to manually select the pencil. This forces the link. This step is crucial because features like haptic feedback and tilt sensing require a confirmed, active connection before you proceed. Now you calibrate and learn gestures so your strokes feel natural. Enable tip pressure and tilt options in settings to let apps read finer input. Then, open a drawing or note app with palm rejection and draw slow strokes. Adjust pressure to test responsiveness, and tilt the tip to check shading. Practice the double tap and press and hold gestures to switch tools. This saves time while drawing. Make sure to test in the app you use most, because apps interpret pressure and tilt differently. Finish by setting good habits. Always store the Pencil Pro on the iPad's magnetic side to keep it charged, and update iPadOS Plus firmware regularly so performance stays smooth. If you run into trouble, like no input or erratic strokes, restart the iPad first. Once restarted, reattach the pencil to force a fresh connection. If that fails, unpair in settings and pair again. This clears glitches. By following these last steps, you preserve battery and ensure consistent, precise behavior from your Pencil Pro.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.